Let's set the scene. If you're a creator, maybe on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a blog, you don't just need to post content. You need to understand what works, when your audience engages, how your links perform, and how your growth is trending. That means two things: scheduling smart and analytics smart. Metricool and SocialBee both aim to deliver that, but they lean in different directions, and the right one depends on your goals and budget. First up, Metricool. Metricool offers a strong analytics-first approach. You can track multiple platforms, see post performance, evaluate best times to post, even monitor paid ads and competitor data. For creators who want to base their strategy on data, which post pulled in the most link clicks? When did my engagement spike? How did this campaign affect my audience growth? Metricool can be very appealing. The interface is pretty clean for analytics and planning. On the flip side, because it's analytics heavy, it might feel like there is more to learn or dig into. And if your main need is simply scheduling or content recycling, you might not need all that extra depth. Now let's look at SocialBee. SocialBee focuses more on content creation, scheduling, and workflow for creators or small teams. Its features highlight content categories, post recycling, evergreen content that gets reused, scheduling across platforms, and ease of use. For a creator who wants a smoother workflow, set category, schedule posts, reuse high-value content, SocialBee makes a strong case. It may not go as deep in analytics as Metricool. Some reviewers say its reporting is less detailed. But if your priority is get it up and running, consistent content, less manual hustle, it's very valid. In summary, both Metricool and SocialBee are affordable, credible tools for creators. The difference is Metricool, analytics first, SocialBee, workflow first. If you view your creator journey as learn what works, iterate, optimize, then Metricool aligns. If you view it as produce content consistently, reduce friction, stay organized, then SocialBee aligns. Either choice can level up your creator game. Pick the one that matches your workflow, focus, and budget.